Hello. I'm talking to you. You are carrying away.
I didn't know you were talking to me.
No problem, Sha. I would love our conversation to continue because you are a beautiful fine girl.
Thank you. Oh, you have an F?
Of course.
Okay.
Just press your number here.
Oh, sorry. I mistakenly pressed the power button.
Scope Etenya.
Can you open it?
Why will you go and press the power button? Press your number there. You went and press the power button.
Yeah, but I wanted to press my number.
You are not wanted to do anything. I wanted to put your number here.
To be an issue? Oh my God, guys, this waste. Please get a torchlight. I don't have an iPhone.
Give me, my brother. Also, when you not going to borrow iPhone to the toast girl.
What is wrong with you? Why are you touching me?
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
You are looking hot. In fact, you have everything.
Are you alright? Are you mad? Can't you see that I'm married?
Scoop Etenya. Where's your ring?
Look at my ring. It's not this hand. Look at my ring. I'm a married woman.
And you are dressed like this.
Can't I look good for my husband?
You can look good for your husband inside the room.
How's that your business?
This one will attract the unmarried ones like us.
How am I supposed to dress?
Cover yourself. Go to places and enjoy yourself. Please, if you are married, cover yourself and stop distracting us. This is blood we are using. And stop embarrassing yourself.